Are you tired of watching other people build massive wealth while you struggle just to pay the bills? Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you can never seem to get ahead? The truth is, most people are not broke because they are uneducated or unlucky. They are broke because they lack high-income skills that can generate real wealth and give them freedom today. The world has changed forever, and the opportunities to earn massive income have never been greater, but only for those who master the right skills. Over the next few minutes, you are going to learn 12 high-income skills that can completely transform your life. Skills that self-made millionaires, entrepreneurs, and top professionals use to earn 6, 7, and even 8-figure incomes consistently. This is not about getting lucky or waiting for a promotion. This is about mastering abilities that put money directly into your pocket and create lasting financial freedom. I want you to imagine a life where money is not a worry. A life where you wake up every day knowing that you have the power to choose exactly what you want to do, where you want to live, what lifestyle you want to maintain, without being chained to a desk or a paycheck. That life is not a fantasy. It is completely achievable if you focus on learning skills that are in high demand and that businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals are willing to pay top dollar for. And that is what this video is about. The skills that can literally change your financial destiny if you take action today. The first skill that can make you rich beyond imagination is digital marketing. Digital marketing is the art and science of promoting products or services online, attracting the right audience, and converting them into paying customers. It is not about posting on social media occasionally. It is about understanding search engine optimization, paid advertising, email funnels, content marketing, analytics, and consumer psychology to generate measurable results. Top companies, entrepreneurs, and even small businesses pay thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars to experts who can create campaigns that actually deliver revenue. Let me give you a real-life scenario. Imagine a small e-commerce business struggling to sell its products online. You step in and design a digital marketing campaign that targets the right audience, optimizes the website for conversions, runs ads that bring qualified traffic, and sets up an email sequence that turns visitors into paying customers. Within 1 month, the business gains 1,000 new customers and sees a massive spike in sales, earning an extra $50,000 in revenue. You could be paid $10,000 or more for creating that one campaign. That is not an exaggeration. This happens every day in the world of digital marketing, for those who know the strategies and can deliver results. Most people underestimate the power of digital marketing because they think social media is just for posting pictures or that ads are a gamble. But the reality is, businesses live or die based on how well they market online. If you master digital marketing, you can work for clients globally, finding opportunities that are remote, freelance, or scalable into your own agency. Once you understand traffic generation, conversion optimization, and analytics, you can replicate success endlessly. Most digital marketers start with small projects on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by approaching local businesses, and gradually grow their client base as they gain experience. The income potential is nearly unlimited, especially if you focus on delivering measurable results rather than just doing busy work. The second skill is copywriting. Copywriting is the ability to sell using words. It is not about being a creative writer. It is about understanding human psychology, persuasion, and storytelling to compel people to take action. A single high-converting sales page, email sequence, or advertisement can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Most businesses fail online not because they have a bad product, but because their message does not connect with the audience. Copywriting allows you to craft words that speak directly to people's desires, fears, hopes, and aspirations. Example: an experienced copywriter writing a landing page for an online course or a software product might charge $5,000 to $10,000 for one page, depending on the expected results. Some top copywriters earn 6 figures entirely by writing email sequences, ad copy, or product descriptions that convert potential leads into paying clients. The key to mastering copywriting is studying the patterns of successful campaigns, learning How to write headlines that grab attention, structuring offers that feel irresistible, and creating a logical flow that leads the reader naturally to take action. The psychology behind copywriting cannot be overstated. People buy emotionally and justify logically. If you can tap into the emotional triggers of your audience and present a solution effectively, you are essentially creating money from words. Copywriting also opens doors for remote work, freelance opportunities, and even building your own products and businesses because you can craft messages that sell anything, anywhere in the world. The third skill is sales. Sales is the backbone of every business, and mastery in sales can change your financial life faster than almost any other skill. But here is the truth. Sales is not about being pushy or manipulative. It is about understanding your customer, solving their problems, and building trust. A person who can close high-ticket deals, generate recurring revenue, or negotiate partnerships is extremely valuable, regardless of industry. Example: a skilled salesperson in real estate, software, or coaching programs can earn thousands per client, while an average employee trades hours for dollars endlessly. The difference between ordinary income and wealth often comes down to the ability to sell and negotiate effectively. Sales teaches communication, negotiation, active listening, objection handling, and emotional intelligence. Skills that compound over time and make every other high-income skill more powerful. Sales is also a skill that gives you confidence in life. Once you can sell, negotiate, or influence, you gain control over outcomes in business, career, and personal life. There are countless examples of millionaires who attribute their success primarily to sales skills, including entrepreneurs who started with no money, but a talent for selling their vision, products, or services. The fourth skill is software development. Coding is one of the most in-demand and highest-paying skills in the world today, from web development to apps, automation, AI, and enterprise software. Learning programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, or Swift allows you to solve real-world problems and create systems that run themselves. Example: you build an app that helps businesses automate tedious tasks, or a website that converts leads into paying customers, and you can sell it for thousands or scale it into a recurring revenue product generating consistent income for years. Most tech entrepreneurs begin by learning to code themselves, building projects, then scaling them into profitable businesses and products. The beauty of software development is that it combines creativity, problem-solving, and technical expertise, allowing you to work remotely, freelance, or launch products independently. Mastery in coding places you at the forefront of the digital economy and gives you leverage to earn top-tier income without trading time for money. The fifth high-income skill is investing. Investing is how you make your money work for you instead of constantly working for money. It is the foundation of long-term wealth and financial independence. The goal of investing is not just to save, but to grow your money through smart, calculated decisions that create passive income streams and build generational wealth. Most people think investing is about luck or timing the market, but true investing is about understanding value, analyzing opportunities, and thinking long-term. Example: you invest $10,000 into stocks, real estate, or a startup that grows at 20% per year. Within a few years, your money compounds and multiplies far beyond what any job can offer. Successful investors think differently. They look for assets that produce income rather than expenses that drain it. Stock investors analyze company fundamentals, dividends, and market trends. Real estate investors look for undervalued properties that can be rented or flipped for profit. Angels and venture investors put money into businesses that have high growth potential. The key is to learn risk management, diversification, and the power of compounding. Over time, your investments start generating money while you sleep, and that is when financial freedom begins. Investing is not just a skill, it is a mindset shift, from being a consumer to being an owner. The sixth high-income skill is public speaking. The ability to speak confidently and persuasively in front of others is one of the most powerful skills in the world. Public speaking is not just for politicians or celebrities. It is for entrepreneurs, leaders, and anyone who wants to influence others. Whether you are pitching an idea, selling a product, or inspiring a team, how you communicate determines your success. Example, a great speaker can walk on stage for 1 hour and earn more than many people make in a year. Top motivational speakers, corporate trainers, and keynote presenters earn tens of thousands of dollars per event. Why? Because they move people to act. They inspire, educate, and persuade, and that creates massive value. The beauty of public speaking is that it amplifies every other skill. If you can sell from the stage, market your message, or lead with confidence, you can build an empire. Mastering this skill requires practice, storytelling, body language control, and emotional intelligence. Start small. Speak in meetings, create short videos, or present ideas online, and gradually grow your confidence. The better you speak, the more people trust you. And trust is the foundation of income, partnerships, and influence. The seventh high-income skill is leadership. Leadership is the art of inspiring and guiding others toward a shared vision. It is not about titles or authority. It is about influence, clarity, and action. A true leader creates more leaders, not followers. Whether you run a business, manage a team, or lead a project, your ability to motivate, organize, and empower people determines your success. Example, skilled leader managing a small team in a startup can turn a struggling company into a multi-million-dollar success by setting vision, delegating tasks, solving conflicts, and maintaining morale. Companies pay premium salaries and bonuses to leaders who can deliver results through others. The secret to great leadership is empathy, communication, and accountability. It's about understanding people, building trust, and leading by example. Every great entrepreneur, from Jeff Bezos to Steve Jobs, had leadership at their core. They could see what others couldn't and inspire teams to make it. Real leadership is also about decision-making under pressure and taking responsibility for outcomes. When you become a strong leader, opportunities chase you because every organization is searching for people who can lead effectively. The eighth high-income skill is artificial intelligence and automation. This is the skill of the future. AI is transforming every industry, marketing, finance, healthcare, education, real estate, everything, and those who understand it will lead the world. AI and automation are about leveraging technology to do the work faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. Example, you learn how to use AI tools to automate business processes, generate marketing content, analyze data, or build chatbots for companies that save them hundreds of hours per month. Businesses pay top dollar to experts who can implement automation systems that reduce costs and increase profits. AI engineers, consultants, and automation specialists are earning 6 and 7 figures annually because they understand how to apply this technology strategically. But here's the thing: you don't need to be a coder to benefit from AI. You can learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, automation platforms, and machine learning APIs to create systems and services that run with minimal effort. The world is shifting fast, and those who learn AI early will dominate the future. Economy. Mastery of AI means you no longer compete with humans. You use machines to multiply your output, productivity, and income. The ninth high-income skill that can make you wealthy is negotiation. Negotiation is not just about haggling prices. It is about creating win-win outcomes, solving problems, and extracting maximum value from every deal. Being able to negotiate effectively can dramatically increase your income, both in business and in personal life. Example, imagine you are closing a deal with a client worth $50,000. If you master negotiation, you can add value, structure terms, or upsell additional services to increase that deal to $70,000 or more. Negotiation skills also save you money. From buying real estate to signing contracts, understanding leverage, psychology, and timing allows you to protect and grow your wealth. The key to mastering negotiation is preparation, active listening, empathy, understanding incentives, and creating solutions that appeal to both parties. Skills in negotiation compound over time because every deal becomes an opportunity to earn more, save more, or create long-term partnerships. The 10th high-income skill is content creation and personal branding. In today's digital age, your personal brand is your currency. Creating content, whether through videos, podcasts, blogs, or social media, allows you to build authority, reach a massive audience, and monetize your influence. Example, consider a YouTuber or podcaster who builds a following of 100,000 engaged viewers. They can monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product sales, or coaching programs. Even small audiences, if highly engaged, can generate six-figure income annually. The power of content creation is that it positions you as an expert, attracts opportunities, partnerships, and clients, and creates multiple revenue streams. The 11th skill is strategic networking and relationship building. Wealth is rarely built alone. It is built with mentors, partners, clients, and collaborators. Networking is not just meeting people. It is building authentic, trust-based relationships that create mutual value. Example, Bill Gates partnered with Paul Allen. Elon Musk worked with investors like Peter Thiel, and Oprah Winfrey leveraged relationships to build media empires. Every billionaire and successful entrepreneur understands that your network is your net worth. Mastering networking means learning how to add value, listen, follow up, maintain trust, and create opportunities for others. It is not superficial. True networking is about giving first, helping others, then opportunities naturally flow back to you. The 12th and final high-income skill is problem-solving and critical thinking. This is the ability to analyze complex situations, identify opportunities, develop solutions, and execute them efficiently. The world rewards those who can solve problems, innovate, and improve systems. Example, Elon Musk identified critical problems in electric vehicles and space exploration, then built Tesla and SpaceX to solve them systematically. This skill amplifies all others. A marketer who can solve clients' business problems, an investor who spots market inefficiencies, or a software developer who automates processes creates extraordinary value and can demand extraordinary income. Problem-solving and critical thinking are cultivated through continuous learning, experience, observation, mentorship, and reflection. This is the skill that transforms knowledge and action into real-world results, allowing you to convert every challenge into opportunity. Now that you understand all 12 high-income skills, digital marketing, copywriting, sales, software development, investing, public speaking, leadership, AI and automation, negotiation, content creation, networking, and problem-solving, you have a roadmap to financial freedom and extraordinary income. These skills are interconnected. When combined, they create leverage, allowing you to work less, earn more, scale rapidly, and build wealth that is resilient and sustainable. Most importantly, these skills are future-proof because businesses and economies will always need marketing, sales, technology, leadership, finance, and problem-solving. Example, someone who can create content, digital marketing campaigns, and automate AI-driven systems while managing teams and negotiating deals is virtually unstoppable in the modern economy. The difference between average earners and the financially free is not luck or inheritance. It is mastery of high-value skills and the discipline to apply them consistently. Now let's talk about execution. Knowledge without action is useless. Those who learn these skills but do not apply them remain trapped in the rat race. Those who implement, experiment, fail, adjust, and persist rapidly rise above mediocrity. Take one skill today, dive deep, apply it in real-world scenarios, find clients, launch projects, and build a portfolio. As your confidence and results grow, layer additional skills. Your leverage compounds exponentially. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Most people trade time for money, working long hours for finite income. But high-income skills create leverage. Your expertise earns money while you sleep, your systems generate income autonomously, and your influence opens doors that no 9-to-5 ever could. Mastery requires discipline, patience, and persistence, but the payoff is freedom, security, and lifestyle control. Imagine waking up knowing your income is not tied to a boss, your hours, or even your location. Your money works for you, your skills attract opportunities, and your network amplifies every effort. This is the life that high-income skills can create. Most people wait for permission, for luck, or for opportunities to appear. Millionaires and top earners don't wait. They learn skills that are scarce, apply them relentlessly, and create opportunities themselves. You have the same potential. The only difference between you and a successful entrepreneur or investor is whether you take action today or stay in comfort zones. So here is the path. Pick one high-income skill that resonates with you, commit to mastering it through practice and real-world application, find mentors, learn from failures, and scale your results over time. Layer additional skills, combine them strategically, and create leverage across multiple income streams. Apply these 12 skills consistently, and within a few years, you can dramatically transform your financial reality, achieve freedom, and live life on your terms. These are not theories. These are proven strategies used by the wealthiest individuals in the U.S. and around the world. The only thing standing between you and extraordinary income is commitment, execution, and consistency. It starts today with one decision to act. Now take a deep breath and imagine your life 6 months from now, 1 year from now, or 5 years from now, after mastering even a few of these skills. Your bank account is growing, your influence is expanding, opportunities are coming to you, you have the freedom to choose your schedule, and your financial stress is gone. These skills are your ticket to that reality. But remember, the world rewards action, not intention. You must start now, apply what you learn, fail fast, iterate, scale, and persist without excuses. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are life-changing. By mastering these 12 high-income skills, you are not just earning money, you are creating freedom, control, and security over your life. You are positioning yourself to take advantage of the modern economy, where knowledge, execution, technology, and influence are the keys to wealth. The difference between those who dream and those who achieve comes down to applying these skills consistently, strategically, with courage and discipline. Your financial destiny is in your hands, and the choices you make today will determine whether you remain average or achieve extraordinary success. Take these lessons seriously, apply them relentlessly, and watch as your life transforms beyond what you ever imagined.